An Instagram recipe win. And how simple was that? What, 6 ingredients? Hello everyone, welcome back. I used to not like cilantro, but now I really enjoy it. And I mention that because today we're making a cilantro dressing. And so if you love cilantro, stick around. And if you don't like cilantro, maybe stick around anyway and give it a try. You never know, maybe your taste buds have changed.
You know, I was thinking, if you don't care for cilantro, I think you could totally make this recipe with basil. If you like basil and you're looking for a solid dressing recipe, try this and just sub basil in for the cilantro. If you try it out with basil, let me know how it goes. Leave a comment and I might try it out myself down the road.
This recipe I found on Instagram, and I'm really fond of finding recipes on Instagram right now because they tend to be really quick and simple. So I thought I'd give it a try. And I will link the recipe down below in the description for you guys if you want to check it out. Without further ado, first we need a blender or food processor. Here I have my baby Cuisinart. We need 1 cup of cilantro packed. So here I have my massive bunch of cilantro. Bear with me. All right, I say that's 1 cup packed. So we're gonna put it right into your food processor or blender. We have 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic. Make sure you get the skins off of those. In we go. The juice from 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 8 tablespoons of water, or a half cup, and a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to blend this until it is nice and smooth. You may need to take breaks to scrape down the sides with a spatula. We're gonna take one of those scrape down breaks. And your blender or food processor may or not be able to get all of these tiny little cilantro pieces to blend in. If you have no issue, leave a comment down below and tell me what blender or food processor you use. So here's what we're looking at. A very light green, kind of matcha pistachio color, but I really just want to give it a taste. I'm not too worried that my cilantro didn't all blend in. That is refreshing. Wow, that is going to be perfect for a summer salad or whenever you want a refreshing dressing. So it's not as thick as your normal dressing, but that definitely does not take away from the flavor. Let's give it a try. It just smells so fresh. All right, I know, I said let's give it a try. Here we go. That is so satisfying. It tastes refreshing as much as it smells refreshing. An Instagram recipe win. So for my cilantro lovers out there, this is a good one. And how simple was that? What, 6 ingredients? It'd be awesome over, if you like cilantro, it would be awesome Ooh, a marinade for meat? Or maybe just a topping? My brain is whirling with possibilities. Well, hey, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Instagram recipe win. Again, I'll leave the recipe down below for you guys. Can't stop, won't stop. All right, I'll leave you guys here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you know when I drop the next video. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.